song, dude. You're an awesome dude. What about me, man? Oh man. What's going on? That song sounds like it's a Yoshi song. That's cool. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten in a long time. I wasn't food. But the thing is, I don't know how to make food. Mario knows how to make food. Mario, where'd you go? I can't speak today because I'm so hungry. Mario, wake up now. Do it. Do it now. Wake up, man. Come on. Come on. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Dang. Well, maybe Yoshi knows how to make food. Yoshi, do you know how to make food? No, dude. Antonio?
Yeah, what's up, man?
Do you know how to make food?
Yeah, everybody knows how to make food, man.
Do you know how you make ramen?
No, only Mario knows that.
Dang it.
But, you could ask him.
I've already asked him.
He probably might work if I ask him. Ow! Why? Why'd you do that?
That was mean of you to say that. Anybody can ask Mario anything, I think. Anyways. You know what? No. If you don't want to cooperate, I'll just drag you to the kitchen. Come on, let's go. I'm taking you with me. We are going to the kitchen. How is he still not awake yet? This is so stupid.
All right, Moo, I'm going to teach you how to cook. Now, take a seat.
Oh, is this good?
Yeah, sure, that'll work. All right, watch this. So, this is how you cook ramen, okay? Okay, Moo, you watching? Viewers, you might be watching too in case you don't know how to make ramen. Okay, so first, just went a little too far. You want to get a pot or whatever, whatever you want to call this. Just give me a second. Get out of here! All right. Okay, so then you get your pot, and you turn the heat on to high, and then you gotta get some water, so we're gonna do this. And your water, you're gonna fill it up to 2 cups. So this will take like 2 seconds. Okay, we're good. Now we got the water. You want to be very careful with water, otherwise you're gonna spill it everywhere. You kind of want to pour fast, but not too fast. Okay, now we got water, and that's gonna start boiling. When that's boiling, will you still pay attention?
Yep.
All right, watch this. So you come in here, and you want to get. Okay, aha, I found it. All right, we're good. Okay, so we're gonna take our ramen over here. Those are Pop-Tarts. Why is there Pop-Tarts in the ramen thing? Pop-Tarts go up here in the Pop-Tart box, not the ramen box. The ramen should be in the ramen box. Okay, we got ramen. This is top ramen. Top ramen is not really top ramen. Just trust me. But it's the only ramen we have in here, top ramen. Okay, we got right ramen. That's really good and desirable. Okay, so now we're gonna cut that open and a bunch of others. So if you did everything correctly, which you probably didn't, you should have all this stuff. You should have eggs, your ramen, and your seasoning. And the water is coming to a boil, so we're going to have to start cooking. Here. Oh, it's steaming. But now, the most important part of making ramen is you need a spoon like this. There we go. Now we got everything we need. So, when that gets to a boil, we'll start cooking the ramen. So the thing is, I can't crack eggs, or yeah, I can't crack eggs. So the cameraman's gonna crack the eggs and then put the ramen in, and then I'll do the rest because I can't. So I do know how to cook though. I do know how to do it. It's just I can't though. Oh, and the ramen's ready. So, all right. So now we're gonna stir the ramen. Make sure the ramen is good. And whenever it's soft, you want to separate it, and then you wait like a minute or two, and then it should be done. Once you start smelling the eggs cooked, then that's how you know you're done. So, yeah. I'll see you soon. Alright, so now, as you see, it's bubbling. That means it's done. So now, we want to set our spoon over here, and we'll take this off the burner. So now, it's done cooking, as you can see. Now we're going to turn off the burner, obviously. Well, it's already turned off. That's weird. I'm just going to turn it off. Okay, now it's off. And, yeah, we're ready to go. So, yeah. So now that we're ready to go, I'm going to be putting the seasoning in. So, yeah. Okay, now we have the seasoning in, ramen's done, and I'm going to get a bowl now. So now we got to get that blue bowl from the top, which is going to be very difficult. So first, we're going to climb the counter like this. So this is how I do it every time when I have to get ramen bowls. So then get the bowl, set the bowl down carefully, and then we just simply hop down off the counter, get this thing. Now we put that into there. Okay, now that we have this here, and that's inside of that, now you want to put your ramen in the fridge for about 12 minutes. Now we're not going to start that yet because that's not in there. Okay, now that our ramen's in the fridge, close the fridge and start the timer. Now we wait 12 minutes. Okay, 1 minute has passed. And Moo, are you paying attention to everything?
Yep.
Okay, now is the most important part. Get the milk. And like last time, the milk was super duper heavy. But this time it's not heavy, and that makes it awesome. Sorry, give me a second. Okay. Super extreme. Okay, we're gonna use the counter. Give me a second. Finally. Okay. Oh, gotta put it on super tight. Okay. There you go. Ah! Oh no, the milk! Get it out of here. Oh man, this is terrible. Okay, now you're good.
Isn't that cannibalism, me drinking my own milk?
Be eating your own kind.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Now, time for the most important part of the meal.
What is that?
What do you want to eat it with?
What am I supposed to eat it with?
Either chopsticks, a fork, or a spoon.
Why would you use a spoon?
I don't know.
I'm trying to decide between a fork and chopsticks.
Chopsticks would be more, it's just...
What are you doing?
thinking.
That's not thinking.
Yeah, it is.
That's spinning.
You want to see spinning? Do.
That's just terrible.
I may be a good cook, but I'm not a good dancer. Okay, stop. Do you want a spoon, fork, or chopsticks?
I'll take a fork.
Okay, get your fork. Wait, where do you want me to put your fork?
I don't know. Just set it down. Okay.
This is great. No, not great, because we're stuck sitting here.
Hey, Mario.
Yeah?
Look at the timer.
Well, what is it?
Timer's almost done. It said 30 seconds or something.
Oh my gosh. I gotta take the ramen now. Well, when it reaches 30 seconds, that is. Why is your fork over here?
I went on the dirty counter.
Smart.
Anyways.
Said 10 seconds. Oh my gosh. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Huh.
Wow, you lost your patience really quickly.
I know.
Well, can I eat now?
Yeah, go ahead. It's your food. Go. Eat it now.
Fine.
Hold on, Moo. Before you eat that food, I want to let you know that we have a sponsor for this video. Green Capital LLC, Wealth Management. So, the person who runs it is Bill Green. Now, he's a money manager. So, if you give him money, he'll invest in companies and make you almost 2 times your money. So, thank you, Green Capital LLC, for sponsoring this video. Okay, Moo, you can eat your food now. All right, Moo. Oh my gosh. You ate that like an animal. Well, I guess you are an animal.
Hey, you want to get dirty, boy? You want to get dirty?
Hey, chill.
I'll get dirty with you.
Hey, no, get away from me. No. When Moo gets really mad, it's very bad. So, yeah, we gotta not, make Moo angry. He's probably coming right now. I'm a result to the classic kid joke of hiding in my bed.
I will eat you. No, I'm not going to eat you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cook you just like you cook the ramen. And then I'm going to throw the ramen in the trash can. And then I'll let the trash can rot. And then when that trash can rots, I'll put you in another trash can. Oh, do you look over there? Oh, is he hiding over here? Yeah, but he is hiding over here. No, he's not in there. In fact, get out of here. Go away. Ugh. Almost lost my anger and my energy. But I'm going to check here again. He was here the whole time. I knew you were here the whole time.
No, please help me. No, somebody help me.
No, I'm going to cook you and I'll put you in a trash can, like I said.
No, please.
You know what? Come to think of it, I'll just drop you.
Wait, no. Ah!
You know? Viewers, have some respect for Mario in the comments. Because this was brutal. Very brutal. Oh, no, I am not falling today. No, not happening. Now that my belly's full, time to take a nap. Yeet. See you later.
I think I broke my bone. I don't feel good. You know what? I want to watch TV. It'll make me feel better. More politics! Why? Every single time I turn on the TV. Every time. Oh, no. Get out of here. I don't like this at all. No, I'm done. I can't take this anymore. I'm getting rid of the TV. But not today, though. Because everybody else watches TV. I never thought of changing the channel. You know what? Changing the channel doesn't matter. Because I don't want to watch TV. Now that I think about it, I don't want to watch TV. No, I'm not watching TV. I'm just going to go back to bed. And thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, watch other videos we have, and yeah.